Node.js is important for Playwright because Playwright is built as a Node.js library or built on top of a Node.js library. Here's are the 5 reasons why Node.js matter. 1. Runtime environment. 2. Package management. 3. Asynchronous programming. 4. Cross-platform testing. 5. Integration with development tools. Let's start with the runtime environment. Playwright's core is written in JavaScript and TypeScript, and Node.js is what allows that code to run outside of a browser. In other words, Node acts as the engine that powers Playwright tests. Without Node.js, you won't be able to execute any Playwright scripts. Next is package management. Playwright is distributed through npm, which comes bundled with Node.js. This means Node gives us the tools to install Playwright, manage its dependency, and even keep it updated, whether you're using npm, yarn, or pnpm. Node.js is what makes installing and managing Playwright simple and reliable. Thirdly, asynchronous programming. Playwright relies extensively on async, or a way to manage browsers' interactions, which are inherently asynchronous. This allows your test to wait for actions like page navigation, element loading, or network responses without blocking the executions of other code. Node.js event-driven, non-blocking architecture complements this approach perfectly, enabling efficient handling of multiple operations simultaneously and ensuring your automation runs smoothly and responsively. Number 4. Cross-platform testing. Playwright's strength lies in its ability to automate major browsers like Chrome, Firefox, and WebKit through its Node.js bindings. Thanks to Node.js, these tests are not restricted to a single operating system. The same Playwright scripts can run smoothly across Windows, Mac OS, and Linux, ensuring consistent testing experiences no matter the platform. Last but not least, number 5, integration with development tools. Playwright fits seamlessly into modern development workflows because many CI/CD pipelines, test runners, and frameworks such as Git, Mocha, or even Playwright tests itself are built on Node.js. This compatibility ensures that Playwright can be easily integrated into DevOps processes, allowing teams to automate testing as part of their continuous integration and delivery cycles without extra complexity. Now that you understand why Node.js is important for Playwright, in the next video we'll check if your computer has Node.js installed and see which version is currently running.